Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. Alright, so this is a 2012 Honda Fit. I'm going to do the transmission service on it, drain and refill the transmission fluid. Down here is a yellow dipstick for the transmission fluid. Has some hash marks on it. That's where we're going to be targeting our fluid when we're done, to get it near the top of the hash marks. That's where we'll be filling it as well. Right in that hole. So we'll get it up in the air, jack it up, use safety stands, and we'll check it out underneath. So here is the drain for the transmission. Just use the regular 3/8 wrench. Just like that. And we'll loosen up and drain it in a bucket. It's gonna about 2.5, 2.6 quarts is gonna come out according to my information. Probably a little magnet on the end here, so you want to wipe that all down. You can see it's pretty clean. Not a lot of metal material, which is very good. So there's a washer on here too. Honda is always recommending to replace the washer on that. And if you want to go to the dealership or somewhere to your local store and get one, you certainly can. Otherwise, I think one of the deals is just not to over torque it. Probably reuse it. So we'll just let this drain out a little bit, and then we'll put the plug back in. Pretty simple. We're actually going to do this twice, so we'll drain it, we'll plug it up, and we'll put 2.5 quarts in, and we'll run it for a little while longer, put it through the gears, and then we'll drain it again. Alright, so we've positioned our long funnel down in the hole, and we're just going to add fluid. Pretty basic, 2.5 quarts of Honda DW1, and they'll put about 2.5 quarts, and then we'll run it, and we'll be probably getting it up to operating temperature, and then double checking our fluid level. Hot. Get the fluid in the hash marks, and that'll be good. So I'm just going to continue to add the 2.5 quarts, and we'll get it running and run it through the gears, get it up to temperature, maybe run it for 15-20 minutes and check the fluid level. So after they actually want you to run it until the cooling fan cycles between 1 and 2 times. Cooling fans are down here. Don't put your fingers in there, but you should be able to hear them running when the time comes. When they cycle off, you can shut the key off, and mine's actually still a little low. So we'll add a little more. Seems to be right about down here. So we're going to add a little bit more, and then we'll run it a little more and recheck it. That's basically it. You want to just keep adding fluid till you get it into the crosshatch, and maybe somewhere near the top half of it would be fine with me. So that's really it. I'm not sure what else you need to know. Run it till it gets warmed up. Cooling fan cycle, shut it off. They want you to check it within 60 to 90 seconds of shutting off the key. They want you to check it for an accurate reading. So this is automatic transmission drain and fill on your Honda Fit 2012. Check with your local parts store or dealership to make sure you get the right fluid. In some model years, it might change to a CCB fluid, I believe is what it would be. Different type of transmission, different type of fluid, so make sure your fluid's right.